Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Germany rebuilt so quickly. We'll explore the key factors that contributed to its remarkable post-war recovery. From widespread devastation, Germany emerged as an economic powerhouse in a relatively short period. This transformation was a testament to strategic planning, hard work, and significant international cooperation. Let's dive into the details of this incredible journey. A cornerstone of Germany's recovery was the Marshall Plan, officially known as the European Recovery Program. Between 1948 and 1952, Germany received over $1.4 billion in aid. This vital assistance was not just about money. It provided critical resources like food, fuel, and machinery. It helped kickstart industries and rebuild essential infrastructure, laying a solid foundation for future growth and stability. Beyond external aid, Germany's internal economic reforms were pivotal. Under Ludwig Erhard, the nation adopted a social market economy, blending free markets with social welfare. The currency reform of 1948, replacing the Reichsmark with the Deutschmark, was a bold move that restored confidence. These policies, combined with a strong export orientation, fueled the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle, leading to rapid industrial expansion and prosperity. Finally, the German people themselves were an indispensable asset. A highly educated and disciplined workforce, coupled with strong social cohesion, drove the rebuilding efforts. The integration of millions of refugees from Eastern territories provided a substantial and motivated labor force. This collective determination, combined with effective cooperation between labor and management, created a powerful engine for recovery, transforming a devastated nation into a thriving one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.